Okay, today we're going to work on a carburetor. I bought this. I paid not a lot of money, enough that it made it worth my time. So it came in and it had a broken, right here, it had a broken off screw. So what I've done is I've come in here and I bought these 1032 by 2 1/4 pack of aluminum threaded rod. And what I've done is I've drilled that out. Obviously I set it up on my drill press and then drilled it out. It's the only way to get it straight. Then I came in and tapped it with a 10/32 tap. Now I'm about to put the aluminum rod in there. I'm going to use some red Loctite on it, actually. But for now, that's what we're going to do. We're going to put some red Loctite on here. I don't have it handy in front of me. And then we're going to come in here and I just kind of, once I get it all the way down, I just come in here with a little Dremel and kind of trim it up real light. Got to be real careful here not to damage the base, the floor. You already see I've marked it up a little bit. But then I'll come back in with the drill press, mount it back up on the 90-degree angle, and from there I'll end up re-drilling it and tapping it with the proper same threads as the normal screw, which I don't know off the top of my head. But that's about it. So there you go. That's my new video. Using, I can do two hands because I have video glasses now, and I can be a lot more more informative. I can have both hands available. That's always good. So there you go. That's my latest video.